Alright, we are at the Glenrose Rehabilitation Hospital in Edmonton Alberta, and look what's going on to the Vintage Otis Elevators. They are now in the destruction of being modernized. No! And thank goodness this one's still original, but this one's going to go bye-bye. There is one that's already completely modernized and a bunch of them still original. Let's take a ride on this. Here we go. Here it is. Go to 3. Your original indicator, which is going bye-bye. Here we are at 3. Your original COP pictures here, that's going on. Let's go down to the lower level. Here we are at the lower level. It's the same thing, barricaded off. The original call station, that's going bye-bye. Let's go back up to 3, see what it's like on there. Simply forgot to do. There sits still. We are you see, barricaded off. The original call station, that's going bye-bye. Go to 2. See what it's like on 2. We are on 2. This is what it's like on 2. See, barricaded off. There's your original indicator, that's going to be going by. The original call station is going bye-bye. If we head this way, we have elevator 1 that is still original. Let's take a ride on this one. Yeah, this one's eventually going to go bye-bye as well. See, the original call station. It's going bye-bye. And your original indicator. And here it is. Let's take a ride. See where you look at. Let's go down to the lower level. Here we go. We're going to miss these beauties. This will be some of the last rides on these. And these are kind of really awesome. At the lower level. Let's go back up to G. There we are. Now if we go this way, You see that elevator has been modded. And let's go this way. Check on elevator 3, still original. And it works. Blue interior doors on this. Going down the alley. We are out. Let's go back up the G. These are really nice. These things will be missed. And now let's ride this newly modernized elevator. Look at that new coal station here. And a new indicator. And here it is. Look at that. New cabs and your new COP here down there. Take a go up to 3. Here we are. Look at the picture of the hospital. Go down the L. Here you are, L. Nice. Here you are. Let's go back up the G. Go back up the G. Here we are, back at G. And that's where the private sits out in the chair on floor. Sliding sits, number 5's in the process of being modernized. Here's sits still original. We're going to check out for number 4, which is this one. It is still original, only one has been modernized, which is can't believe these are getting modded now. We're going to miss these beauties. And here it is. We're going to this. Go to 2. Go back down to G. Original CV, which is going back. to be 5 and 6 elevators. Turn it off. And there you have it. These elevators are now in the process of being modernized, which is very unfortunate. These are very rare Vintage Otis elevators. And this will soon go bye-bye, and then the rest will follow. And I'll be coming back over time to get some updated takes on the modernization. And other than that, that will be it.